We'll guide you through how to mask a subject on CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin your very professional and creative video editing journey, launch the CapCut desktop application on your Windows device. Navigate to the sign-in option located on the top left dashboard. Select Google Login for a fast and secure authentication process today. Choose your preferred Google account from a selection prompt. Click Continue to grant the necessary permissions for the software. Use the browser pop-up to return successfully to your workspace. Access the advanced editing features and cloud assets now that you're logged in. Click Create Project to enter the primary editing interface. Click the Import button to begin loading your raw footage. Browse your local files to locate the specific media required now. Highlight both your primary subject clip and your background asset. Select Open to add these files to your active project library today. Place your intended background asset onto the main timeline track first. Layer your subject video onto the track directly above the background. Trim the video clip to ensure it matches the full duration of your background. Open the mask settings found in the video properties on the right panel. Initialize the process by clicking the button to add a new mask layer. Pick the circle from the available geometric and custom options. Adjust the mask boundaries to perfectly fit your subject or object. Navigate to the Basic Settings tab within the right-hand menu. Center your masked subject by adjusting the position and alignment. Select the Text option from the vertical menu on the left side. Click the plus button on the default text to add it to your timeline. Synchronize the text duration to match the length of your video clip. Modify the font style to better suit your project's visual aesthetic today. Change the text content into any title or caption you prefer. Refine the text size, position, and scale for optimal visual balance. Enhance the depth of your titles by adding a shadow from the right menu. Preview the playback to ensure the mask and text are perfectly aligned. Hit the Export button in the upper right corner area to finalize your work. Click the Final Export button to start the complete rendering process. Your professionally masked video is ready for immediate sharing now.